to me, you know that I see you. Tell me words that will make me feel you. The locks on my windows are nothing but self-doubt. Oh Father, please don't shout, for my heart is healing and my lungs are breathing. Marks on my skin, never leaving. My thoughts go racing, my mind is chasing. Got this invisible feeling that nothing is meaning.